How to find a Nike store near you with Nike Store Locator. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial you can use to view your location for your Nike stores near you. So let's get started. We can officially head over to the Nike Store Locator page. So you can either go to nike.com and look out for this option called Find a Store, or head over to a browser directly and look out for Nike Store Locator. For now, let's head over to this option called Find a Store and follow up the process. That will basically open up the Nike Store Locator. So in the search bar, you just need to type in your location. Just go and type it in. And once you enter up your location, the locator will show nearby Nike stores or retailers on the map. Retailers. So you can just go and view it up. And you can click on store on the map and you will be seeing the store address, the opening hours, phone number, and directions. So you can just go over and view it up. And the locator may also show authorized retailers, not just official Nike stores. You can just go over and view it within the map itself and check out and find the store that you want to visit and just go over and look out for it. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this step-by-step tutorial to view it up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.